Hey everyone, my name is Kari. Welcome back. I am so excited because pumpkin season is upon us and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how to make a delicious and super easy pumpkin spice flan cake. If you want to know how I make this super delicious dessert, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to start off by making the mix for the flan. I'm going to be using 4 eggs and we're going to beat them. Next, we're going to add 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of pure pumpkin, I'm using 15 ounces, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and last, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. And we mix it up until everything is well mixed. This is how it should look once it's all mixed. Now we're gonna set it to the side and start working on the cake mix. For the cake part, I'm gonna be using this spice cake mix. And just follow the baking instructions on the box. Half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk. It says on the box 1 cup of water, but I like to use 1 cup of milk. And last, 3 large eggs. And now we mix. The cake mix is ready and we're gonna set this to the side. We're gonna set the pan on medium heat and wait for it to heat up. For the caramel, we're gonna be using 1 cup of sugar. It should take you from 5 to 7 minutes for the sugar to caramelize. You should stir the sugar constantly or else it will burn. As you can see, crystals are starting to form. Our caramel is now ready. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat. Before adding the caramel, I'm gonna lightly spray the bundt pan. We add the caramel. We move it around and spread it evenly. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now it's time to pour in the cake batter. We're just gonna even it out, just like that. Next, we're gonna add in the flan mix. I put it in my blender jar just so that it's easier to pour. And we're just gonna add it all around. We cover it up with foil. I'm gonna place it in the baking tray. We're gonna fill it up halfway with water. I'm gonna put it in the oven and cook it for 1.5 hours at 350 degrees. Okay, it's been 1 hour and 30 minutes and it's time to take out our flan. Okay, let's open it up. And it smells delicious. Look at how spongy it is. Okay, it's time to flip it. It's still hot, but I like to flip it when it's hot. Give it a little tap. I like to top it off with some whipped cream and a dash of cinnamon. And there you have it, delicious pumpkin spice flan cake. All right guys, my favorite part, the whipped cream already melted because it's still hot, but if you put it in the fridge for about 4 hours or more, it'll taste even better. But I couldn't wait, I wanted to try it now. Cheers. It's so good. The flan is perfect. And the cake is so moist. Super delicious. If you haven't tried it, you must. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.